Namaskar everyone student. So today I am come to take your science class. So today's class I discuss about the topic our body. So this body is a very important for our human being. So in that body you also know that one machine. Okay, this machine, our body also like a machine. So one machine they work properly with its various parts. After then this machine is generate the power for doing the work. Like our body also, so in our body there have so many parts and all parts one work togetherly, then our bodies work properly. So now today's class I am going to discuss about the our different type of parts. So according to our body parts, we have seen there have two type of parts. First one is inner part and second one is outer part. So inner part, that one also called a, this is inner organ, this is outer organ. Okay, so inner part, actually this part we are not seeing. Actually this is find in our inside of the body. This is called a inner part. Okay, and outer part, this part we have found in our outside of the body. This is the outer part. Now I am going to the give the example of this inner part. Inner part, actually this part. Okay, which one find in our inside, like our heart, our this lung, our kidneys. This is our brain. This is our inner part or inner organ. Or outer organ, if we are discuss this outer organ or outer part, this is our hands, our leg, our nose, our eyes. This is all are our outer part. So now student, so in our outer part there have a 5 sense organ. How many 5 sense organ are there? 5 sense organ. So you also know the previous class that our eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin is our sense organ. Okay, so this sense organ help us for just feeling our surrounding. Okay, they will gather the information or messages and send to our brain, and our brain also give the order according to atmosphere. After that this sense organ also just do their work. So in this way we are understand today's very hard. Okay, in some way we are just get the heart. So all the information we get from this sense organ. Okay student, now in inner organ, this inner part, so there have 1,000 teeny cell. Okay, so there have 1,000 teeny cell or group of this cell. When work together they are make tissues. Okay, or so there is 1,000 cells. When work together they are form tissues. Okay, and these tissues when work together they are form an organ. Okay student, like our this one is our lung, our heart, our kidney, our brain. This is organ. Okay, so in our topic there have this organ. No, so there have so many organ system. So this different organ system have a different work or function for the work for our body. Okay student, so first one I am discuss about the skeleton system. So skeleton system, actually this one is, this skeleton system only made or formed by the all bones. So in skeleton system there have 206 bones. How many bones are there? 206 bones. Or skeleton system there have one function, important function is this skeleton system they are give the shape, proper shape. Okay, proper shape and support to our body. And in the skeleton system, no, there have a skull. This skull, no, this one is skull. This skull is just protect our brain, and there have a rib. This is called, there have so many bones are there, and there is make a one case. No, this case is name is a rib cage. Okay, this cage, rib cage is protect our heart and our lung. Okay, and in skeleton system there have a joint. Okay, this joint, no, when the two bones are meet together, this place is called a joint. Okay, this joint is help us to move one place to another place and move to do the work. Okay, now student, I am going to muscular system. This is muscular system. This muscular system, no, this is consist of more than 600 muscles. Okay, so these muscles, no, these muscles also help the our skeleton system move. And these muscles, no, attached to our bones by the fibers. These muscles, no, these muscles are attached to bone by the fiber. And this, when the fiber is pull our muscles, so that time our bones is move and work properly. Okay student, so this is the muscular system. Now I am discuss about the circulatory system. The circulatory system, actually this system is the in this system our blood is, okay, circulate all the body properly. So in this system here is a heart is the main organ, and the auxiliary organ is there. This blood and blood vessel are also there. So this heart, no, this heart is always pumped, and this our blood is circulate in our all the portion of the body with the blood vessel, through the blood vessel. Okay, so this is the, so heart is the this one. So here also one thing, when we are take the food, no, so after digestion this food we have, okay, our stomach is gathered, okay, we are collected some this nutrition and vitamins from our food, and in this nutrition and food they also just, okay, sent to the our blood, and our blood also supply in our all the body parts. Okay, after that we get the energy from do the work. Okay student, so and oxygen also we are taking breathing, when we are take breath now, so that time we are take the oxygen, and this oxygen also mixed with our blood, and our blood also supply in our all parts of the body. So in this process our circulatory system work. Okay, so we have a so many this circulatory system is there, but in next class I will discuss about them. Okay student, in this class if you have any problem or any doubt, so okay student, you again just contact to me. Okay, I will just try to give the your problem, okay, your solution, your problem. Okay student, bye, namaskar.